Hey, welcome back to part 2 of Trying Weird Sodas. Today we're going to be mixing them all together. And in case you didn't watch the last video, these are the sodas that we're going to be mixing together. Grass, dirt, ranch. I really don't like ranch. And then mustard, probably my least favorite. So of course we got to add the most of that. So yeah, I got them all mixed up in this cup. And we're going to be taste testing it. Am I excited? No. What does it smell like? Oh, that smells like grass mixed with mustard and ranch. And oh, if you watched my last video, you know that does not smell right. Bottoms up. Oh. 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 It tastes like a sewer. I don't know what made that, but it was not any of that. It tastes like nothing in this world. That tastes like poison. It does not taste right. Look at this. You can't tell me that this looks like it wouldn't kill you. Oh. I don't want to do it, but I feel like I have to. Nobody's telling me to do this, but oh, I just got a bigger swig of that. I feel like I'm gonna throw up. I'm not gonna do this again, but I did it. Okay, so that's my reaction to all of these sodas mixed together. Did I like it? No. Did it smell good? No. Nothing about this was well. I'll see you in the next video, I guess. Well, and now if you'll excuse me, I gotta go throw up.